Hello again, everybody. Edward Kelly here, bankruptcy attorney at Worth Law, as always. And I'll tell you this again at the end. You can reach me with your direct questions or needs for help at 580-478-3130 by telephone, or Edward at Worth Law Office, spelled like it is here.com. As I said in the last video, I'm talking about how Chapter 13 can help you as you come out of COVID forbearance on your mortgage. A lot of people are experiencing this, and this would apply to a vehicle too, but it's a little more pressing with a home. So to recap, a lot of people's home mortgage has been in forbearance for, say, 12 months. Say they have a $500 mortgage payment, for argument's sake. The forbearance ends, and lo and behold, you owe the whole thing immediately. So in this case, that would be $6,000. And from what I'm hearing from people, a lot of times that wasn't explained adequately by the mortgage company. So if you're not able to roll that into a new loan at the end of your mortgage, you may be looking at difficult foreclosure if you don't do a Chapter 13. So how does a Chapter 13 allow you to fix this? Well, a 13 basically, from the date you file it, freezes in time. Let's say you have that $500 a month mortgage, you're now $6,000 behind. A normal Chapter 13 plan is from 36 to 60 months. That's from 3 years to 5 years. The CARES Act, which is another COVID relief deal, which is going on at least through 2022, allows you to extend that in some circumstances, usually when you already have a case on file, but does allow certain income to be excluded. We'll go into that into another video, but at least 5 years to fix that arrearage. So let's just say you do 5 years, that's 60 months, and you have that $6,000 behind. So, that's an extra $100 a month. So you're gonna have to be able to make your mortgage payment. You can't do it if you can't afford to keep the house, but that'll give you $600 a month, and then in 5 years, boom, you'll be fine. And the bank has no say about it. As long as you make those payments, at least from what I've described, they're not going to have a basis to object to that plan. Of course, you're going to build in the interest, and your payments can change over time with escrow and taxes changing, but that basic arrearage won't change, which will have the interest built in, which I said for argument's sake is $6,000, and you can force them to let you save your house. They can't argue about whether you can do it. So I'm going to talk about some finer points of this in the next couple of videos. So that's how a Chapter 13 can do it. So if you need to do that to save your house, or if you have other questions, again, Edward Kelly, 580-478-3130, or email me at edward@worthlawoffice, spelled like it is here. I will see you soon.